Alrighty, Dan, here's 20 to 347. Give a description of the combinations. Got a set of our As Cast heads. Obviously, it's got the Borla on top of it. Shelby covers. Fuel management, Holley Terminator X. The black front end on it. Make sure all knows functions. Front sump oil pan. Custom grind hydraulic roller. Take you in there and make a run. See what she does. Stay tuned. Alrighty, 3400s, 402 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 418, peak horsepower 436. So rated 425, got a front end, so Borla really makes it run good. Now we'll pull pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you, to show you a couple other little things. Alrighty, when you receive your engine, find a single start credit card. It's a USB card full of technical information, engine build specs, dyno video, a lot of tech stuff. Highly recommend plug it in and watch it. On the engine will be this tag. It'll have an engine number on it and some other specifications. That engine number is the easiest way for us to look you up if you need any information. Flip it over, UR code, hover over that, click on it, take you to our site, some other technical stuff. So lots of stuff. Highly recommend watch it, help your installation. Have a great day.